It's time to put it down on paper so that you have a concrete way of communicating your pricing, what you're offering, and how people can do business with you. And so one important thing to think about is, where are you going to put this information? Are you going to have a shopping cart? You're going to have a way for people to book appointments, depending on what it is that you are offering the world. You have to think about these things if you haven't done so already. And if you already have all of this set up, then this is an opportunity to put down your new structure for what you're offering based off of what you've learned, or even how you've changed the way that you think about what you do and the value that you provide. We also provide an example of a coaching package structure, because a lot of the people watching this are part of our coaching programs, and we get asked this question a lot. And so regardless of what field you're in, this is a good example of breaking down what you're offering and the difference in what people are receiving based on what they're ordering. This is for a service business, and so it operates in tiers. Now, if you have physical products, then that's a little bit different. However, even if it's something like a digital product, you might have an entry-level product, a more advanced product, and it can continue to grow in price and value that you offer as you go up the scale. So it's really about coming up with what is going to work for what you have to offer and putting it down on paper. And so just a quick example about coaching package that we have used in the past. And it was for our Quantum Leap program, which is for business people that are working on growing their business. And so we don't offer this exact package anymore, but it's one that we have used in the past and that we have used as an example with a lot of our clients. And so the first tier of coaching that we have offered, we call a strategy session. And so it's meant to be intensive, 1 hour, get to the point, and we charge $197 at the time. And so the next tier up is for people who are wanting to get more in depth. It's called a half-day power session. So it's 4 hours long, and it was $597 is the cost. And so again, it's an intensive where we are working with people one-on-one. We're going through an organized set of materials that we use in our Quantum Leap program to walk them through the process in a 4-hour period of time, where we can really get a lot done in a short period of time, rather than dragging out those 4 hours over 4 weeks with an hour a week, which is also very common in coaching. This was our model. So the next tier up was a full day Quantum Leap program, which is 8 hours long. It was $997. And so we would spend an entire day. It would actually end up being more than 8 hours, because of course we would take breaks and have lunch. But it gave us an opportunity to work through the entire program and completely revamp somebody's business and create an entire strategy and goals and a structure for them to move forward all in one day. Again, this is how we did it. Doesn't mean it's how you would have to do it, but this is an example of a way to structure coaching packages. And then we did actually have a package, which was a 6-week program that we called a boot camp for quantum leaping. And it was $1997. And so again, someone who's invested that much money into a program is going to be much more committed and serious. But the good thing is that there's a wide variety of the things that we offered in these different packages. So depending on someone's budget and what it is that they're looking to do, they had ways of accessing us in the way that they wanted to do so. And so the question is, what would this look like for you? Take the time and write it down and reflect on everything that you have been listening to and hopefully applying through all of these videos, so that you can be putting out something into the marketplace that you believe in, that you know that you're charging your value, and that you can communicate that value to others so that they will hire you or they will buy your product, and you can expand your business and do what you came to this earth to do.